Maths 7th Standard HCF and LCM. Math. You know the prime number. A prime number which has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. You know composite number. A number which has more than two factors is called composite number. By Euclid rule, any composite number can be written as the product of its prime numbers. Now we learn factorizing a number into its prime factors. Factorize 56 into primes. 7 times 8 is equal to 56. These are the factors of 56. 7 is a prime number, so we carried it down. 8 is a composite number, so we factorize it again. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 2 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 4 is a composite number. So we factorize it again. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. In this way, we get 56 is equal to 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now we see horizontal arrangement. Factorize 36 into primes. 36 is equal to 4 into 9. 4 is composite number. We factorize it into 2 into 2. 9 is also composite number. So we factorize it 3 into 3. Here 2 and 3 are prime factors. So we cannot factorize again. So we get 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we learn vertical arrangement. We take same example. Factorize 36 into primes. 2 times 18 is equal to 36. 2 times 9 is equal to 18. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. In this way, we get 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we take another example of vertical arrangement. Factorize 216 into primes. 2 times 108 is equal to 216. 2 times 54 is equal to 108. 2 times 27 is equal to 54. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 1 time 3 is equal to 3. In this way, we get 216 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We take. Let's practice. Factorize the following numbers into primes. 32, 150, 57, 28. Solve above examples in your notebook. Thank you.